Hello, welcome to the Stunts English Homeroom website. My name is Dan Stunts. I'm from America. I'm from the state of Wisconsin and the little town of Manitowoc, Wisconsin, which is the sister city of Kamogawa. And since 2008, my wife Yukiko and I have been running SEH and providing a wide variety of classes for all ages, from babies 1.5-year-old and up to preschool, kindergarten, elementary, junior high, high school, university, and adult English conversation classes. We also offer junior high and high school prep courses, kind of Juku style courses, and we are adding video to our website, and we have a couple things planned for 2015, and one of those is a video podcast, both in video and in audio, on a wide range of topics, from ABCs to English phonics, the sounds of English, useful English phrases, especially related to tourism and traveling overseas, and some cultural topics as well. We're very excited about that, and we're going to be starting that video podcast series in January. So stay tuned. Okay, so please take a look around our website and find out more about our classes. If you have any questions or would like to come in for a free lesson, please feel free to do so anytime. Okay, so we will want to wish you a very safe and pleasant holiday season. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year 2015. Hope to see you soon. Bye.